Welcome to eTropicalFish.com, your trusted source for tropical fish and aquatic products. Ready to dive in? Simply go to our homepage and click on Register Now. You'll be directed to the registration page. Here, fill out your details. Step by step, start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your address information. Then, provide your company details and set up your sign-in information like email and password. Scroll down to the Additional Information section. Let us know your business type and add your telephone number. Before you finish, don't forget to tick all 3 checkboxes to agree to our terms and policies. Once everything is filled out, click the Register Now button at the bottom of the page. You'll then see a confirmation message. Thank you for registering. To complete your account setup, please email your resale certificate to sales@tropicalfish.com using the same email address you registered with. We'll notify you once your account is activated and ready to swim.